Today, when you do your assignment for lesson 112, you're going to go ahead and go into your ConnectEd app or your shortcut to it. It doesn't matter what lesson it says. You're going to go down to the green box where it says eToolkit. When you open up the eToolkit, you're going to be creating a picture that demonstrates you know how to identify an acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, trapezoid, parallel lines, and perpendicular. So down in the bottom left-hand corner, you're going to click on eTools. Go ahead and scroll down until you find pattern blocks. The pattern blocks will then show up on the bottom of your screen. What you will do is you will create an image or a picture of some sort. You can change the size over on the right-hand side, either small or large, and you are going to create a picture of some sort. Doesn't matter to me what you create. You can use this little handle here and rotate. You drag them up. If you don't like, you choose your mind, change your mind, you don't want it, you just drag it over to the trash. And again, that little handle allows you to rotate. I won't finish my picture, but I just wanted you to see how to do it. So you would go ahead and create whatever picture you would like to. Wanted a small one of that. All right, so I'll just stop there. When you are done creating their picture, make sure you have those 6 things. Check Schoology just to make sure. I would write it down maybe on a slip of paper or on your whiteboard so you can check them off as you do the 6 different requirements. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take a screenshot of it. That's the only way you're allowed to write on the screen and identify those 6 items. So you're going to hold the home button and your on and off button at the top of your iPad and press them at the same time. So I always count 1, 2, 3. If you've taken a screenshot, it'll show up in the corner. You click on that, and then you'll see that you have some tools down at the bottom to go ahead and write on it. So I'll just demonstrate a couple of these for you. So you'll use the highlighter if you want to highlight something. So for example, if I want to start with an acute angle, I am going to go ahead and show that acute angle, and then I'll use the black pen or a darker, thinner line to go ahead and write acute angle. An acute angle is less than 90 degrees, and this angle is less than 90 degrees. Next, I need an obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees. This time I'm going to choose the highlighter again, but I'm going to choose a different one. This angle right here is obtuse. I'm going to label it with a thinner line and a darker color. Obtuse. This angle is greater than 90 degrees and less than a straight line. Now, I'm going to identify the trapezoid. A trapezoid has 1 pair of parallel lines. And you're going to do that so you identify the 6 requirements. And again, you might want to write those 6 requirements on your whiteboard from Schoology so you can mark them off. Please make sure you write your name somewhere on this. Once you are done, you're going to click on Done and you'll save it to Photos. Now, when you go into Schoology and you're going to upload an assignment, you're going to make sure that you go to the day that it is assigned, and you'll go to that assignment, you'll go to Submit, and that little plus sign in the upper right-hand corner will allow you to add a photo from your photo library. So go ahead and have fun with this assignment.